What's going on? Joining granny squares together is a simple yet satisfying process that allows you to create beautiful, colorful crochet projects. So first you're going to make sure that your squares are the same size, that you've completed all your individual squares before starting the joining process. There are several methods for joining, but one of the most popular is the whip stitch. Okay? To begin, you're going to lay your granny squares out in the desired pattern. Then with a yarn needle and a length of yarn that matches your squares, you're going to align the edges of two squares with their right sides facing each other. Thread the needle through the loops of the outermost stitches along the edges of both squares. You're going to pull the yarn through gently, making sure that you keep the tension even, and continue working across the edge stitch by stitch. Another option is the slip stitch method, which involves using a crochet hook to join the squares. To do this, hold the squares within the right sides facing up and the crochet slip stitches through the corresponding stitches of both squares. This method creates a flatter, more seamless join. All right? Take your time with each stitch to ensure that the squares are securely attached and aligned properly.